Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to tear down or disassemble the Xiaomi Redmi 9 mobile phone for repairs. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the teardown, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port using a picker and pry tool. Insert the picker and by using a plastic car pry tool, gently move around the phone to release the plastic tips on the frame. Take out the rear cover and take out the mainboard protector frame by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. To remove the fingerprint flakes and the camera lens, apply a little heat to soften the glue. And to take out the camera lens, push gently from behind. And next, from the left hand side, disconnect the battery, LCD and mainflex plugs, and then the antenna. Now we can take out the main logic board. On the front side of the logic board, take out the camera protector frame and disconnect 3 rear cameras and the front camera. And there is one more rear camera, which is the depth camera, which connects from the back side of the logic board. Disconnect it and remove the adhesive to separate the front camera and wide camera. Next, apply a little heat to take out the speaker and sensor flex cable on the body. Be careful and slowly pull out the parts. Next, pull out the button flex cable by using a tweezer. Let's move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the protective cover, including the speaker. Next, disconnect the mainflex cable and antenna. To take out the secondary PCB, unlock the screw and lift it by using a pry tool. The secondary PCB has the charger port and the headphone jack. Next, apply a little heat to take out the vibrator motor. Finally, we can take out the battery by loosening the adhesive. First, release the tab and then extract it slowly, and again the same steps are on the other side. Hope you have enjoyed the teardown guide for repairs on Redmi 9. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.